So I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the My Hotpot Story on your phone. No jailbreak, so this works on iPhone and Android. So let's get straight into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So what you want to do, guys, is go to this site and find the My Hotpot Story. And it will take a minute to load, press on it, and then wait for it to download the mod. So I've already installed it, so I'm not downloading it again. But for you guys, just let it download, bro. So yeah, this is super insane, guys. So yeah, if you go to the App Store and type in My Hotpot Story, you'll see it is super expensive. So here it is, and then we go to in-app purchases, and you'll see, nah, so if you want to get everything for free, be sure to try my video, because it is super crazy, and this actually works, guys, on iPhone and Android. As you can see, I'm pretty rich, so yeah, I'll see you in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome. And you're not going to get banned either, so personally, I would try this video for you guys. It's super cool. And yeah, so peace out. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I mean, I'm always like looking for stuff and I'm not really like finding anything, but this is a mod that I found that I recommend for all gamers. It actually works. It's super cool. So yeah, peace out, guys. That's insane that it actually works. But it is real. So be sure to give it a try. Just so everyone can give it a shot. This is super sick. iPhone and Android, it works. So yeah, get the word out, bro. This is super cool. I'm looking into mods right now. This is the only mod I recommend. So I'll see you later. Peace out.